Welcome back. So back on with the Fiesta today. You'll have seen by the thumbnail that it's developed a misfire, so I'm going to start looking into that. I don't know if I'll solve it in this video because I don't have a code reader for this car, so that might be something I need to get. It has chucks up the engine management light. Obviously it's running really rough, running on 3 probably. So first off, I'm going to go and retrace my steps. I'm going to check the gaps on the plugs because I've been told they're quite sensitive to these are quite sensitive to plug gaps. So I'm going to check the gaps on the plugs. I'm going to check haven't knocked any connections, knocked any leads, before I start actually looking into spending money on trying to fix it. The complicating factor is when I bought the car, although it didn't have a misfire, it had the engine management light on. When it was away getting its welding done, I'm assuming they took the battery off and it had gone. So I don't know if it has an underlying fault or if it's something from changing the plugs or something that's just changed and it's occurred now. I'll show you later on in the video. There's also, I'm guessing it's not a standard manifold. I don't know if these come with like 421 manifolds as stock or not. I don't think they do. But this has got one. But as part of that, it looks like the lambda sensors had the wires extended. So I'll show you that later on in the video, but that might be my next route if I can't solve it by retracing my steps with the plugs, is I think I will strip that extension back, resolder it, re-insulate it, and I'll put some more insulation down the actual length of the wire because there's nothing there and it is red hot next to the manifold, so that's not going to be doing it any favours whatsoever. Also in this video I'm going to have a go at repairing the passenger seat release mechanism, so the tilt mechanism. When I got the car, it came with a couple of the Chinese copies release levers and the bracket it sits in. So I'm going to take the old one out and hopefully if the cable's intact I'm going to repair that. So fingers crossed you'll see how I get on in the video. But yeah, let's get into it. Cheers. As you'll have seen, a bit of a mixed bag there. So the misfire's still there a little bit and I've still got the engine management light on, but it has improved massively. Potentially I think it might be back to how it was originally. Didn't see anything obvious when I was retracing my steps. The plug gaps were fine. Everything looks good for what I could see. So I'm not sure why it's now back to sort of, 90%, shall we say, because there is still a little misfire there. I'm gonna get a code reader and have a look at what the energy management light's saying to give us a route to have a look at. And I'm also, going forwards, I'm gonna replace that wire into the lambda sensor that's been extended, just to rule that out. Plus, it's not, like I said, it's never been protected from the heat, and it's not the best. So at least I'll be doing that regardless, just to if it's not that, just to rule it out, but also so it's a bit of long-term maintenance for it. As you'll have seen, I've got a water feature in the doors. I'm guessing the weather seals are knackered, so letting in water and they're filling up. So as soon as you open them on the drive with the angle, they're just draining away a couple of nice ST waterfalls. So not going to do anything with them at the moment. There's plenty more listing on the list ahead of that, and like I say, I really want to try and get this on track, see if I enjoy it, or whether I'm going to cut my losses with it and sell it on now it's MOT'd. Seatbelt mechanism, that was successful. Managed to fit the new handle that came with the car, works great. So a nice free repair, seeing as the car came with the parts. So that's going to be all for this video. Hopefully next video be able to work on a bit more on the Misfire, try and get rid of that fully. I want to spend a bit more time driving it. We'll have a look at when the next track times are available. It will drive like it is. It might flush out the fault even more with a bit more hard driving. Obviously I'll hopefully have the code reader by then as well to be able to point me in the direction for the management light. But like I say, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Cheers.